Welcome to another video on Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management. In this video, I would like to show you how you can use the price management module to configure best price discounts. A best price discount means that if two or more discounts can be applied in one situation, the discount with the highest value for the customer, so the highest discount, will be used. So we are here in a Contoso demo environment and I'm in the US company, and the first thing I would like to do is to create a code for the price management. So let's go to the modules, to the price model management module, to setup, and here price component codes. So let's create new best price components code, best price component, best price component. It's a discount, and we want to select here in the concurrency model the best price. I would also use the all in the headers and all in the groups. Then I will add here my existing customer attribute group, and in the line the existing product attribute group. These groups are necessary so we can define the discount based on attributes of customers and products. Now when I click save, the combination here is generated, so the lot combinations are all customers with specific products, specific customers on all products, and specific customers and specific products. Great. Now in the next step, we have to add this new best price component to the price tree. So back in the setup, we go here to price tree. I first have to disable the price tree. Then this edit button is available, and I will create a new entry here. And as you can remember, we have created this best price component here. Going to edit, give it a rank, let's say 10. The type is best price, and the concurrency is best price. Now we can save the price tree and re-enable the price tree. So this means in the calculation, this component with best prices will be used and calculated. Now in the next step, we have to define the different discounts we want to have for our customers. So from the price management, we go here to the discounts, and I will create two different discounts. I would like to create Black Friday sales that gives 5% on computers. And I would like to create a discount back to school that gives our retail customers 10% on laptops. Now start with a new discount. And we will select the price component code here, the best price component. And we would like to add for the Black Friday, we don't need a header group. We can use all here because our Black Friday discount applies to everyone. But we want to add the lines here. So this means all customers and specific products. And I would like to go for a category and go here to the retail product. And from electronics, we choose computers. As you can see, these are the items in my system that are used. And we will give a discount on Black Friday computers, let's say of 5%. And set it to enabled. This takes a few seconds, and then this discount will be used. Now let's create the next discount. This will be our back to school discount, and we have the best price component here, and from the header we would like to use a specific customer group, and in my example these are retail customers. So when we check here, we have some retail customers, and we would like to give a huge discount on laptops because it's called back to school. So I need this stuff at school, so we choose customer product, and again we go here and change it to the retail product hierarchy, and from electronics, computers, laptops. Let's check the result, and I would like to exclude these elements. So only HP laptop, Lenovo laptop, and Microsoft Surface laptop will have this discount if the customer is a retail customer. Okay. And we will give 10% on our back to school account. So again, enable the discount. Now we have the situation that we have two overlapping discounts. The first discount would be for all customers 5% on all computers, and we have a specific discount for retail customers 10% on laptops. Now let's create a sales order and check out what is happening. So I'm going here, if it is a favorite, sales orders, and create a new sales order for one of my retail customer. There was one retail customer called Nancy Anderson. And because this is a retail customer, and if the retail customer will buy a laptop, she should get 10%. So let's check this out, laptop, and we choose, don't know, a ThinkPad of course. And we choose a site here and the warehouse. But you can already see the discount here, so these are 10%, and from the sales order line we can have a closer look what the system did. So from the few pricing details we will see that here the best price component with the 10% have been applied. And we have an additional item here because something else is already set up here. But if we choose a different item, as you remember, we have this 1000 here. This is also a computer part. We only get this 5% discount here because this here is Black Friday sales. Let's check this out. You can see 5% this comes from the Black Friday, and this 10% here comes from a back to school account with the 10%. If we choose another customer, which is not a retail customer, and we use the same items, we should only get a discount of 5%. So for example, I don't know, some wholesale customer would be an option, a Sparrow retail, maybe we choose this here. And again, we are using a laptop, it's a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. And as you can see, when we go to sales order line to the details, we have 5% discount here, because this comes from our best price component. It is only 5% because this customer is not a retail customer, so this gets only 5%, and our retail customer, Nancy Anderson, he applies to the back to school and gets automatically 10%. So this is a quite useful way how you can set up best price components and best price discounts based on customer type, products, and other attributes, whatever you like. And as you can see, this comes in very handy and is calculated here directly when you create new sales order based on the values of the attributes. I hope you find this video useful and wish you a nice day, and leave a thumbs up or a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.